All great things start out very small. With that first thought, the first step, the first result. So an idea that could have stayed only on drawings and mock-ups ultimately ended up becoming the foundation of a whole new industry. That's how UST String Transport Technology was born. In 2014, engineer, scientist, and inventor Anatoly Unitsky introduced the world to a new, eco-friendly transport concept, safe and efficient for transporting passengers and cargo. Instead of going to officials and big funds, they chose the route of crowdfunding. That's how the project's first ever platform was born, bringing together thousands from around the world to back and actively support an engineering idea. RSW Systems became the bridge between the dream and making it real. In that time, 2 full-fledged R&D centers were launched for testing and certifications. Production facilities were built with modern equipment. 15 models of Unimobiles were produced. And more than 600 jobs were created. More than 60 design and engineering bureaus are involved in the development. Investors from over 200 countries have backed the idea. This is no longer an idea. Thanks to investors from around the world, the engineering company Unitsky Stringtechnologies Inc. has created a revolutionary product and achieved impressive results that have earned high international standing and been validated by strict certification. And we're certainly not stopping there. The technology has moved into the real economy. The UST complex has already been designed for the Sosny Sanatorium on Lake Naroch, and the versatile Unilight Unimobile is proving the transport's effectiveness in commercial settings. This is a clear signal to every single partner. Investments are turning into tangible projects with substantial market potential. Today, a new phase begins. RSW Systems is transforming into Micron Global, an international marketing company designed to enable the global scaling of the engineer's ideas. RSW Systems, Micron Global scales Unitsky's string transport. Micron Global is more than just a new name. It's a strategy, a philosophy, and a new era of commercialization. Micron is a symbol of each of us, a particle that's almost invisible on its own, but without which the whole can't exist. From the small to the great. That's our outlook. Greatness comes from the small, when each of us is an integral, indispensable part of it. Micron Global is a modern digital platform built to the absolute highest technological standards. Personal accounts, the career model and statuses are consistently built upon transparency, strong security, and global support. Every part of the system is geared toward measurable results, from personal growth to scaling your business and further strengthening your investment portfolio in practice. Micron Global is a structure you can trust, tools that work and opportunities that deliver results. We didn't just believe in the technology, we came together to make it a reality. Micron Global is people who take part not for expectations, but for results. Here a person isn't just an investor, but a co-creator of change and a co-owner of a global industry and a committed partner in shaping tomorrow. Here trust turns into real concrete steps, and the path is open to anyone who genuinely sees themselves in it. Become an active, contributing part of a global story and a co-owner of UST Technology alongside Micron Global.